So sounds like the end. It's quite easy. It's on capo 4. It's basically on E, the song, but we're playing a C on capo 4. And in reality, we're just focusing mainly on this track on strings 4, 3, 2, and in the last chord on 1. So we're not playing the entire C, we're just playing half of it, so to speak, without the bass note. And we're just playing, as I told you, 4, 3, and 2, those 3 strings. And it's all about the hammering on this song. It's quite a relaxed, chilled out song, but it's all about the hammering. So what I'm doing now is I'm hammering the 4th string on the 2nd fret, obviously with the cap on. And then I'm going into the F. Here I'm hammering the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and the 4th string remains the same. And now I'm hammering the 2nd string. I don't really need to play the A here, but I just play, this is E minor, sorry. So I'm hammering the 4th string again on the 2nd fret, just like on the 1st chord, but this is an E minor. And then I'm playing a D minor 7. So D minor would be this. D minor 7 is without playing the 2nd string on the 3rd fret. It's playing the 2nd string on the 1st fret. So this is a D minor. This is a D minor 7. So now, as you can see, my finger is loose. And this is a bar chord on the first 2 frets. And what I'm doing is I'm hammering once again the 3rd string, the G, on the 2nd fret. Actually, no, that's what I'm doing. So I just release the bar here, release the 1st string at the very end of it. So once again, C, hitting only strings 4, 3, and 2. Then the F, which is a F major 7, because I got my last string loose, even though I'm not playing it, I'm playing 4, 3, and 2. The E minor. And then the D minor 7, which is the bar on the first 2 strings. And at the very end I just release the 1st string. So that's the verse part. And then in the chorus it's just chords basically. It's quite simple. Once we get into the chorus, F. I'm playing an F major 7 just to, you could play an F if you want. A minor. At the end of the A minor you can go into the A minor 7. And then you go into the G. G minor. Halfway through, there's a shorter chord. And then into the D minor. And I'm hammering the 3rd string. The very end of that chord progression, and then at the end of the chorus, when it repeats the same chords, you end up in a D minor. So once again it's F, A minor, G, G minor, D minor. Stay that. Repeats the same. except that you finish on the F minor. And that sounds like the end.